Hi, vlog. Right now, because Buzz Aldrin went to this high school, and this is like boxes upon boxes of old yearbooks from like the 1920s. We're looking for Buzz Aldrin in our yearbooks. So we're looking for the year 1947, which is when he graduated. So
We're setting up the swerve drive right now using the Tuner X swerve generator, but it's not working. So we're gonna have to do a little bit more diagnosing of errors. It's very sad.
I'm Taiki, and we've been wiring up the drivetrain. Um, yeah, yeah, just about it. We haven't been doing much besides that. Also, we got resistors and for carnivore, and we're gonna make. And we. How about you join, buddy?
No, I'm good.
And we started making another board.
Okay, we've been working on drivetrain. It's had a lot of issues.
A lot.
The CAN wires have not been working, none of them. But
it was low-key a code
we
issue.
figured out it wasn't our fault. Code's fault. It's usually Code's fault.
Yeah, honestly.
We're working on a prototype right now. I'm not sure what it's for, but kids are working. Doing wire stuff. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, we did some resistors. We were soldering.
Yeah,
It was
soldering.
pretty fun.
Inhaled a lot of fumes.
A lot of.
We've been feeling it. Been a little hazy.
Hi guys. I'm sure you missed me in week 2. I missed you. I was really sick. I'm sorry guys. I know you mourned me really a lot. But we're doing a lot of build stuff. I'm working on some assembly stuff right now. We're working on our elevators. So this is stage 3 and we're doing a lot of machining. I've done about 2 hours of chamfering today, so that was great. Yeah, we're doing some great assembly here in the hallway because I was attempting to escape everyone who has the flu.
For the last hour and a half, I have been making axles and failing to find a belt, which is what I need.
Hi, I just did a bunch of drawings for CAD because I'm supposed to tell Build what they need to do. Yeah.
So in the past week, we have been working a lot on assembling pieces of the robot and the pivot mostly. So like kind of figuring out how the sprockets are going to work together, figuring out what our end effector like exactly is going to look like, and kind of piecing together the parts for that, and then getting a lot of drawings to build so that they can get going now that all the things are here. So that has kind of been what we've been up to. Yeah.
Tell me when you're rolling. I honestly don't care because look, we basically need a chain tensioner, and so I had to put a plate here for the Max tube to hold it together because apparently this is just like floating in space apparently because that's what Max said. But then I have to push this chain up the way you see it right there, then add an idler to hold the chain up and to allow it to roll. But like I don't have that much space. I don't have anything to work with. Literally just this bracket, which is 1/4 of an inch, is already dug into like half the chain. And I can't make it any wider because if I make it another inch wider, it's going to cut through the entire chain. So I don't know what to do. Major update. So 5 minutes ago, this genius, he's the Luke in the Lucano type, is saying instead of this, we just put a hex shaft from here to here, attach an idler, which is this, and basically just allows it to spin, right? And it'll lift it up, and then we can like have it so that it can go up and down to tension the chain. It's genius, and it'll work, and Max is going to be like, oh my god, Luan, you're the best. Here's the RPM title for like the rest of the season. And I'm going to be super rich and famous by the end of it, and everybody's going to be like, Luan. Well, actually, Lucas too. Luan, Lucas.
I will not be.
We're both going to be like, you know, like, in like that one SpongeBob movie where it's like, it's the best day ever. So yeah. All right.
Joaquin, what are you drawing?
Oh my gosh. I am drawing the robot and the deep cage in order to figure out what our deep cage mechanism is going to be, because that is the next step in our CAD plan. Welcome to Joaquin's weekly interviews. Week 4 is this week, and we're going to interview our surprise CAD guest, Lucas. Lucas, here's your interview.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Kind of terrible. I've got a code member over here.
Oh, what are you working on?
Trying to give him numbers for accurate.
He has all these measurements. Look at him.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. So
Yeah.
what are these measurements, Lucas? What are you working on?
This is the so right now. Right now. Code's asking for the correct measurements from 2 swerve modules on the drivetrain, and I need to calculate the center of mass and then measure the distances of the center masses.
All I heard was nerd talk. Good talk, Lucas. That was your weekly interview with me. Yeah. Try not to get hit by flying objects in the CAD room, apparently.
Business finished the executive summary, and we also started the impact essay, which I don't know what there is to say about it, but we're pretty far in it, and I like the progress. We also, I think, basically solidified our sponsors, which looks nice. And yeah, we're doing pretty solid. I think we're going to probably keep working on the essay and maybe start looking into outreach events. Yeah.
Hello. So we looked in boxes and we found the 1947 yearbook, and that right there is Buzz Aldrin. And apparently he won most likely to succeed, and he did. So that's pretty awesome.
They were pretty right. Look.
We're very excited.
To succeed, Buzz Aldrin.
And meanwhile, there's Raphael doing like work stuff. He's not as excited. Thank you.